So guys, how are you doing? How are you doing today? So today I want to show you how you can create a spreadsheet. Creating spreadsheet involves several steps, and here is a guide on how you can get started. So to start with, you'll need to come close to your machine. Then from your machine, you can go and tap on the window button on your keyboard, or you can also tap on your screen. Whenever you see a symbol of the Windows, you tap on it, and then you get all the programs. Or you can also press Windows key on the keyboard, then you get all the programs on your computer. Then from there, you look. If you will see Microsoft Excel, go ahead and open. But if you don't get it, you can go and type Microsoft Excel in the search box. Type Microsoft Excel, and then you see the application Microsoft Microsoft Excel. So you can see I've got the application Excel here. So the best way is you tap here. Of course, you scroll down and check all the application. You can scroll up until you see the word Excel. Click on it, and then from there, Microsoft Excel. The interface will open. So on this interface, what you do, you have to create a new blank book, or you can choose any of the templates. So you have to go to the new, and then you see this first one, which is a blank workbook, and then we have the templates. We also have the option for looking for online templates. You can look for online template, but for now, because we have to go and create a blank workbook, so go and tap on it, and then you have your Microsoft worksheet open. So this is what we call the Microsoft worksheet, and this worksheet has all the tools that you need to use. It has the tabs, the ribbon of tabs, like the home tab, like insert tab, draw, page layout, formulas, data review, and so on. Each of these tabs has a list of tools which represent certain commands, and then we have like we have the rows and columns. We say the columns are represented with alphabetical letters. Then we have the rows. These are represented with numbers like row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. And then we have the cell. Microsoft Excel worksheet is composed of thousands of cells. Each of these cells has a name, which is obtained by looking at the columns. Column F, like column F, row 6. So whenever you tap on a cell, to get the name of the cell, you have to look at the column and also look at the row. And then we have the formula bar. This is where each and every formula you enter into the Excel cell will display. And then we have the sheets down here. You can add as many. This is the default sheet 1. But when you want to add another sheet, you can tap on this plus sign, and then it will do it. It will open. So go ahead and can use the mouse. So you click on that, click on that plus sign, and then the new sheet will open. You see. So you can see now I have created sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you want to do other action on these sheets, like when you go on sheet 1 and you want to rename it, you click on that. Then from there you see a list of options, like you can have insert a new sheet, you can delete the sheet, you can rename, you can make a copy, view the code, protect the sheet. So for example, if I want to rename, you click on rename, and then you can add a sheet, maybe say class 1, class 1, and then you press enter. Then you go to another sheet, you double click there, then you rename it, you say class 2, and press enter. So you go to another sheet, if you want to rename it, you can put class 3. So generally that's how we can name all these sheets. And after that, when you've got the sheets, you've got the Excel sheet open, you've known how to use the column and rows, you can always expand these cells so that they appear big and enables you to enter data very well. So when you want to enter data, you have to select the cell and then you can start typing the data type. Any data you enter here, it will also display in the formula bar. You can always adjust. You can also go ahead and tap on the home tab, and then you have all the formatting tools available, like the font size, the font name, the alignment, and then the styles. You know, we also have other tools in the clipboard like cut, copy, and paste. And then we also have the format painter. Like when you have this, maybe you want to copy this, you just go and tap on copy, and then you see the cell will highlight. Then you go and tap where you want to paste that. Then you go and tap on paste. So you can see I've copied this and pasted there. Yeah, last time we said the difference between copy and cut is that when you copy an item, it means you are just duplicating that item, but the original will remain. Whereas when you cut something, it means you are just removing the item, and you will not have the original. And the insert is the process of I mean pasting is the process of inserting an item from one place to another. So then we have other tools like format conditioning, like then we have like merge and center. This is where you merge more than 2 cells, and then we have cells insertion, then we have cell deletion, and then formatting. So all that is the way the basic tools we can use whenever we open our Microsoft worksheet. So for now, we're going to stop here. In the next video, we shall look at more tools in Microsoft Excel. Thank you guys, we love you so much.